How to use Google Trends to find hot topic ideas. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be taking a look at how you can use Google Trends to find the hottest topics for your YouTube channel, for your website, for your blog. And let's get into this free tool that is often underlooked by a lot of people. Now, Google Trends is a free to use tool. Just go on to trends.google.com, and this is one of the most valid and authentic ways to garner new topics because Google is one of the most widely used search engines, and it is going to give you the most accurate data about a topic. So first off, let's take an example. Let's say you are a blogger and usually create food blogs. Now, you want to find new trendy things to write about food, but your blog is stagnating. There isn't anything interesting that you're writing, or you're not hitting the right keywords. And keywords are super essential in today's web search. Keywords are the words that people search for whenever they are typing or searching on Google. So if I just search for food over here, you can see food is a very popular keyword. Now, you can use Google Trends to your benefit to find the latest and hottest topics simply by entering the overall niche that you're in. So, let's say you're into food blogging. Just search for food. And once you search for food, choose your location. You can choose worldwide if you want. You can choose a specific country. Then what you're going to do, you might be like, hey, okay, I've searched for food. I see the interest over time. But how does this help me in keyword research? Well, you're going to find a lot of hot topics simply by scrolling down. And once you scroll down, you will actually see the related queries. So you can actually see the related queries, and instead of rising, click on top. So the top queries are Chinese food, fast food, food near me, food near, and then you can move to the next pages. So food poisoning, healthy food, baby food, Thai food, food stamps, cat food, all of these are super popular queries. Now you can also go into the rising one to see the new topics that are just beginning to get more searches. So food insecurity, food chain diagram, WP food, Shopee food, food shortage, lifestyle, and all of these other topics. Now, these are going to be great indicators to see what are the top food related queries that you can write about. Another great thing you can do is to search for, if you search for a food blog over here, now if you scroll down, you will see the related topics as well as related queries. So things that people also search for whenever they are searching for food blogs, and this will give you a good insight into related topics that you can make videos on. Now, another great way to use Google Trends is to target locations. So let's say I want to start a business. I want to start a business in the United States, but I don't know where to open up maybe a grocery store. So what I would do, so to find the hottest areas, what I would do is I would go into the location section, and we're just going to search for the United States. And now what you can do is you can scroll down and see the states with the top results. So Wyoming searches for grocery stores the most, and this is actually going to give me a insight into seeing whether or not I should, establish my business maybe in Wyoming because people are searching for this query more often. Now, another great thing you can do with Google Trends is that you can add competitors to better understand a research topic. So let's say we have HubSpot. So HubSpot is a tool, and we're going to search for the interest worldwide. And now if we scroll down over here, you can see the related queries. You have Notion. Notion is a competitor of HubSpot. You have Atlassian, which is a competitor. You have ClickUp. Now, what you can do is you can do a comparative query. So you will add Notion over here, and now you will see the overall search interest, and you will see the average interest in Notion is a lot higher simply because it might be a word as well. Now you can also see the related queries. Now, another great way that you can boost your engagement and engage both of these viewers. So, not only can you get the people that are searching for HubSpot as well as Notion, you can write articles that are based on versus. So, you can write an article like HubSpot versus Notion, and you can post that, and that will give you more viewers or more leads to your web page because people are interested in comparisons. Now, with that, you also have other search engine optimization with Google Trends. If I was to search for lipsticks, now you can go into the worldwide section and you can not only do a web search, but you can also do Google shopping searches. And if you're running a business that is based for e-commerce, so if you have an e-commerce website, then you can use the Google shopping feature to better analyze what you are trying to sell, whether or not it is going to sell. You will see related queries. For this one, it doesn't have one, but you can see related topics as well, and you can add them to the overall descriptions of your product, and this will be another great way for you to be able to boost sales of that product. And you can find a lot of other topics simply by searching and going into the related queries section and making comparisons between topics to see whether or not you should compare two topics. Now, once you find a bunch of topics on Google Trends, you can put them into any keyword explorer and see the keyword difficulty. I'm going to use the Ahrefs keyword free SEO tool, and they have a keyword difficulty checker as well. So you can just enter the keyword over here to see whether or not a lot of people are searching for this specific term or specific keyword or topic, and this will give you a better analysis, a more in-depth analysis, while Google Trends will help you in just short listing of the topics that are available to you. So that is how simple and easy it is to do keyword research with Google Trends and how to find different amazing topics to get started with your business on. And once you find a topic, so whatever niche that you have targeted, whatever topic that you have shortlisted using Google Trends, you can just go on ahead, best online store creator or store builder, and then you can just copy this entire query and then go into a free SEO difficulty checker and then paste this, click on start, and then monitor the difficulty of the specific topic that you have chosen. So you can see this is a semi-hard, so it is a difficult keyword to target, but still it is not very difficult as a simple store builder or online store building would be. So that is how simple and easy it is to get started with Google Trends to find a good topic for your website, blog, or YouTube video, or whatever you're looking to get started with. That was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video, and make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well, so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.